Imagine a graphics card so powerful, it could probably run a small country's economy, if only it had a sense of fiscal responsibility. Meet the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090, the crown jewel of GPUs, designed to transform your gaming rig into a pixel-pushing powerhouse. First off, let's talk performance. The RTX 4090 is built on NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture, delivering a colossal leap in speed and efficiency. It's up to 83% faster than its predecessor, the RTX 3090, making it the Usain Bolt of graphics cards. Equipped with 16,384 CUDA cores, this beast ensures that every game runs smoother than a butter dolphin on a slip and slide. And with 24 GB of GDDR6X memory, you'll have enough VRAM to finally open all those Chrome tabs without fear. But wait, there's more. The RTX 4090 features 3rd-generation ray tracing cores and 4th-generation tensor cores, bringing realistic lighting and AI-driven performance boosts to your games. It's like upgrading from a flip phone to a smartphone, but for your gaming visuals. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the elephant-sized GPU in your PC case. The RTX 4090 is a hefty unit, with some aftermarket models occupying up to 4 PCIe slots. It's so large that installing it might require a degree in spatial engineering and a prayer to the cable management gods. Power consumption? Oh, it's thirsty, all right. With a TDP of 450W, you'll need a robust power supply to keep this beast fed. But think of it as adopting a high-maintenance pet. Sure, it requires more care, but the companionship, performance is worth it. In summary, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 is not just a graphics card, it's a statement. A statement that says, I take my gaming so seriously that even my GPU lifts. It's powerful, feature-rich, and ready to tackle the most demanding games and applications you can throw at it. So, are you ready to let this titan into your gaming sanctuary?